Hi guys, this is Shari. Have you ever wondered what a healthy haircare routine looks like? Well, it comprises of many products, but the L'Oreal Paris Total Repair 5 kit makes it way easier for you. Let's get started. This combo pack includes a total repair shampoo, conditioner and hair serum. After you wet your hair, take a coin-size amount of the shampoo and apply it onto your scalps and the lengths of your hair. You can always use more if you have longer hair. Then massage and scrub gently to ensure the shampoo removes the residues on your scalp and hair. Rinse and repeat if needed. Next, use the conditioner on the lengths of your hair and leave it in for at least 10 minutes before washing off. After you dry your hair, take a little bit of the serum and run it along the lengths of your hair, and you're good to go. If you want to build volume to your hair, this shampoo is an absolute game changer. Do check it out.